Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, we're going to go over some super cheap and easy Dollar General cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do to stock up this Saturday, November 11th. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, I really want to hear your response to tonight's question. I want you to take a moment and leave me a comment down below. I want to know, what is your favorite thing about couponing? For me, it's definitely being able to help friends and family members with items from my stockpiles to help them save money. And the other one, which is a really big one for me, is that I am more prepared when emergencies happen and I can't get out to the store. It definitely helps relieve a whole lot of stress. So let me know, what's your favorite thing down below in the comments. And make sure you share this coupon and deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money. That way I can get these coupon and deals out to them and help them too. Plus, sharing my deal videos is a super awesome way to show your support for my YouTube channel. It makes a huge difference and it is greatly appreciated. So let's get started with these deals because I'm really excited. I don't know what it is, but cleaning supplies is definitely and has always been one of my favorite couponing deals to do. I think it just helps relieve a lot of my stress when it comes down to deep cleaning my house, knowing that I have all the supplies I need. So I always like working in these deals. So for this first deal, grab 2 2-count packs of Febreze Air Effects. You could also substitute these for the 2-count packs of Febreze Small Spaces if you want. Then grab 1 Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 1 Nivea Lotion, and 1 of the 48-count packs of Always Discreet liners. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.90 plus tax for a 58% off savings. Now, one of the things I want to make sure I add in here, the reason why I tend to include Nivea lotion or any lotion for that matter in my cleaning supply deals is because when you're sitting down and you're working on a lot of deep cleaning around your house, those cleaners can be really demanding on your skin, and it's super important to make sure you moisturize because currently my skin is painfully dry and cracked because I have been deep cleaning for days. So learn from my mistake. Now, whether you use laundry pods for their obvious use of doing laundry, or I know a lot of people like using them in their mop bucket because it helps cut through the dirt on their floors, it's definitely a great item to stock up, and we have several really great coupons for it. So in this deal, grab one of those big bags of Tide Pods, small bag of Gain Flings, small bag of regular Tide Pods, and one of the $6.95 bottles of Downy Lush Unstoppables. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.90 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, unfortunately, we don't have any coupons for the Clorox Disinfecting Bleach this week. I'm really bummed. We usually get coupons for them. We haven't had one in a little while. Hopefully we'll get one soon, but if you were in a pinch and you need to get a bottle, here's a really cheap deal to get it. So grab one of those 43-ounce size bottles of Clorox bleach. Grab 2 of the Febreze fabric refreshers in whichever scent you want, as long as it applies to the $3.30 off coupon. Then grab 2 of the $4 size bottles of Vaseline lotion and 2 Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. They are $3.35 each. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.40 plus tax for an amazing 65% off savings. Now, super important to note with this deal, and I try to include this at least once in every deal video this week that incorporates the Vaseline lotion. I know for some odd reason the $4 off 2 Vaseline coupon is not applying to the $4 size bottles. I promise you it's supposed to. It is not a glitch. If you look at the Dollar General ad and you zoom in to the section where you see the Vaseline lotion, you will see it says 10 ounces or larger, and the $4 size bottle is the 10-ounce size. So I've actually reported it to Dollar General, hoping they get it fixed in time for Saturday, but in case they don't worry, I totally have your back. Go do the deal, save your receipt, go home. This is if the coupon doesn't attach. Go home and check out this deal video for the video description. I'm going to have the email address and the phone number for the department at Dollar General that deals with the digital coupons so you can contact them and get your reimbursement. Because like I said, there's no reason for this coupon not to be attaching. Now, moving on to our next deal, here's another really great laundry pod deal. Grab one of the big bags and the small bags of regular Tide Pods. One single can of the 35-count Lysol wipes. I'm super excited for this $1 off one Lysol wipes coupon. It's definitely a rare coupon. Usually we get $1 off of two, so love this deal. Then grab 2 of the Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.15 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Next up, I was super excited to see that the buy 2 get 1 free Palmolive, Fabuloso, and Ajax deal was still going on. It's such an awesome opportunity to stock up on any of those products. So in this deal, I thought it would be interesting to work in the Fabuloso because I love the green Fabuloso. Hands down, one of my favorite scents. If you're a fan of Fabuloso, let me know down below in the comments which is your favorite scent. I know this tends to be a heated subject. I know a lot of people like the purple, but I like the green. So grab 3 bottles of Fabuloso cleaner in whatever scent you want. Grab 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, 1 bag of the Vicks VapoCool Drops, and I know I lowered the product image a little bit too low. I'll fix it next time, I promise. But make sure you grab 1 box of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax for a super easy 64% off savings. Now, super important to note here, the reason why the before coupon total is so high, I know a lot of people are probably wondering because that's well over the $25 threshold. It's because you absolutely have to make sure you include the amount of the instant savings on top of the $25. So for example, in this particular deal, the free item is our instant savings, so it's $4.50. So you add that to the $25 total, so that means our total before coupons with this particular deal needs to be $29.50, or the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon won't come off. So super important to note. I honestly do not remember the last time I worked in a Finish Quantum dishwasher tablet into one of my coupon deals. But because we have several coupons this week and we don't really have any other dishwasher pods coupons this week, I thought, let's add it in. So grab 2 of the 12-count packs of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, 1 of the Nivea lotions, 1 Gain Easy Squeeze dish soap. I couldn't remember what it was called. Grab 2 Garnier shampoos and 1 Febreze plug-in oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.10 plus tax for a 59% off savings. Now that's a lot of products for such a cheap out of pocket. Next up, we are going to shift our focus a little bit and focus on some really great air freshener couponing deals. So in this one, grab 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, 2 of the 2-count packs of Febreze small spaces in whichever scent you want, and then grab 1 Febreze plug-in oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.65 plus tax for a 61% off savings. You best believe when I saw that $2 off Bounty paper towels coupon that I could not wait to work it into a couponing deal. Now, when it comes to these higher value items, one of the best ways to score a great deal on it is you have to incorporate higher value coupons on top of it to help lower your out of pocket. So in this deal, grab 1 of those 6-count packs of Bounty paper towels. These are the ones that are $16.75. I know, kind of expensive. Then grab 1 small bag of Tide Pods and 1 of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste. This week, the Colgate Optic White Pro is one of my hands down favorite high value coupons because it is so incredibly high value. It's a $5 coupon, making that item only $2.25. Awesome coupon. So after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16 even for a 46% off savings. Now this deal would be particularly good if you are new to couponing and you just want to get your feet wet. It doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it, so it really helps to set yourself up for success and eliminate some of that stress at the register. Of course I had to work in a Palmolive dish soap coupon. couponing deal. I love doing these. I love stocking up on them. It's such a great buy. So grab 3 Palmolive dish soaps. These are the ones that are $3.50 each. Grab 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1 of the Colgate Plaque Pro Release toothpaste, and finally 1 bag of the Oral-B floss picks. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $9.60 plus tax for a 67% off savings. What would my cleaning supplies coupon deal video be without a disinfecting deal? I am so excited, y'all. We have so many Lysol disinfecting wipes coupons this week, including that $1 off 1 coupon. I was shocked when we got that. So with cold and flu cootie season almost upon us, it's super important that we stock up on these products so we have them in our stockpile for when the cooties show up, because you know they're going to, and there's nothing worse than not having it and you have to go out the store and pay full price for it, because we don't do that here at LoveLiveSave. So in this deal, grab 4 of the 35 count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes. I honestly don't remember a time where I posted this many Lysol wipes in one deal. I'm really excited for this one. Then grab 1 of the Lysol air sanitizers and 1 Nivea lotion. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $13.35 plus tax for a 51% off savings. Now, if you don't need this many, if you have kids in school, I highly encourage you to try and do one of these deals and stock up on these Lysol wipes. I promise you, your kid's teacher is gonna love you, because these things are expensive and they already have so many things that they have to pay out of their pocket for. So being able to grab some of these cheap when we can and give them to them, in my mind, it helps eliminate the chances of the cooties coming home. So I fully support this. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos, as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pockets deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.